Hi there guys and welcome to my new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn money on Reddit by providing services to people that actually need them. So for example of this video I'm going to search for some people that might use some of my services. Okay, so once here on Reddit I'm going to go and check music streaming services, as people who are in the music industry are most probably going to need some of my services. So when you're doing this you have to think about what are the most popular music streaming services worldwide. So in my opinion those are SoundCloud, Deezer, Spotify, Tidal and so much more. So once I type Spotify in the search results, I'm going to go down here to this view more button and I'm going to expand this list so that I can see all these subreddits which have some elements of Spotify in it. So the key here is to hit some of these Spotify subreddits which have the most amount of people. So I'm now going to stick to this one, the original subreddit for Spotify. And what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to check whether it has these filters. This one has. So here on the right you're going to see all of these colored buttons, and once we click this see more, we're going to see all of these themes that they're covering. So in order to make money out of these people, we are going to go and see what their problems are about. So once I click question, you're going to see all of these things here which these people are all asking for, and they are expecting answers. Or you can go back here and deselect this button and select the other one. So I'm going to select self promo because it is the best way to get sales, because all of these people here are going to need some sort of promo, otherwise they wouldn't be posting in this subreddit. So what are you going to do here is that you're going to go and see what these people are posting about, and since this is a Spotify self promo subreddit, they're most likely to be self-promoting themselves. So let us just hit this Spotify link here, and it is going to lead us to a Spotify website where this person is putting their tracks on its account. So in order to do this we need to have a Spotify account as well as Reddit account in order for us to get sales. The first thing would be to open a Reddit account which is associated closely to the problem you're trying to solve. So in this case it is going to be some sort of Spotify promotion or Spotify marketing. So we're going to name our account something in that manner. I'm going to speed this up a little bit as opening an account is pretty straightforward business, so I'm not going to dive more deeply into that. The only thing you need to know is that you need an email and that you need a Spotify account with straight to the point name. So let's get to it. Alright, once we have our account set up, the next thing would be to go to grow your Spotify account and see this profile. What we need on this profile is that we need a profile picture and a cover picture, which are also going to be straight to the point about what we're going to do and what we're going to offer to these people. So this is the next step in this video. So we're going to head here to Canva. Alright, once on Canva we're going to go to create a design, and here we're going to set width and height. It is 1920 by 1080, so which is going to be a full HD design. Now we're going to hit this create a new design, and we're going to have this blank white space. So what I actually do here is that I either keep it white or just paint it into black. So to do so properly you just go hit here in the background color, select black, because we're going to have the green letters, because Spotify has green this green sign, and green is the color of Spotify. So here we're going to go and enter some text which we are going to actually offer to people. Alright, so once we have this black canvas here, I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to click this add heading. So add heading is this is a black background, so this is going to be a white text, and here I'm going to write things that I'm offering from my account on this Reddit. So since I'm going to offer them comments, plays, and likes, I'm going to write these things here on my cover page so that it can later fit into the cover page of my Reddit profile. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to go and type get G9 plays. Now I'm going to speed this up a little bit so that you don't wait for me typing this. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to head back to Google and type Spotify color code so that we have this Spotify color also applied to our text, which is going to be on that black canvas. So once you get this Spotify color code, you just have to go here and copy this hex number. So this is going to actually give the information to Canva that you want that specific color. So to change color of this text, you just select the entire text and head here on the text color. Now head here and paste this color code that you get. Now click this. So here you see that we have this Spotify color code, which is the same as actually Spotify color here. So this is going to be what we're going to use as a cover picture. Later we might need some tweaks because of the profile picture, but I'm going to get to that part a bit later. Alright, so here we have this get more exposure, get G9 plays, get more likes and stand out. We're going to have this cover photo uploaded to our Reddit. So here I'm going to head to this plus sign and select the file that I previously downloaded. Now, as you see, I get this message displayed perfectly as I like, so that people who visit my profile see what this profile is about. The next thing what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a profile picture, which is going to have logo of Spotify in it, and I'm now going to do that also in Canva. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to download some Spotify PNG file and do basically the same thing, except maybe the background is going to be white. Now once we have selected the image that we like, we're going to go here and download it. Just click on the image. Now click free download. Click again and wait for this ad to run out of this 10 seconds. Now what are you going to do is that you're going to head back to Canva, go down below this cover picture that we made and click add page. So this is going to be white, so I'm now going to select white as a picture background, and I'm going to upload the picture that I previously downloaded as a logo for Spotify. Now click upload media, select Spotify, and once it uploads, just drag it over to this white canvas. So this is how it is going to look like. So I have to make a square picture of it. Just going to resize this a little bit, and I'm going to make this centered, and I'm now going to write underneath it Spotify promo service or something like that. Alright, so let us put this a little bit more up, get this message down below, and that's it. Now export this picture to your computer the same way as you did previous one. This is PNG, select only picture 2, and now click download. Once this has downloaded, now head back to the Reddit and upload this picture that you previously made. So I'm going to show all files and select this one. So this is going to be our profile picture. Alright, so this is my profile picture and this is the message that I'm displaying on this Reddit account. Okay, once we have solved our profile picture and our message in the cover picture, there is one more thing that we're going to do, and that is we're going to need to have a description of this Reddit account. So to do so properly, hit this screw sign here And here in this profile you're going to have display name, which is optional. I usually don't change this. And this is about box, which is where we're going to have our description. So you need to think of something that is going to make people check you out. Alright, so you have to have some script to put in this about box. So I already made mine, and you have to just make yours for the whatever service you're going to offer. So I'm just going to head here in my notes and just going to copy this thing that I previously wrote, and just head back here and paste it. So here you see what it says, and this is going to be displayed under our profile, so whoever visits us is going to know what this profile is about. Now what you're going to do here is that you're going to just let it be, and these changes are automatically saved. So head back to our Reddit profile, and you're going to see here that this about box has been displayed here. So this text is displayed just underneath your profile. The next thing what you're going to do is that you're going to have to discover what things are you going to offer to people. Alright, now you can close all of these access tabs, and what we're going to do next is going to be how to actually make money with this account. The first thing we're going to do is that I'm going to double this because I'm going to need this page a little bit more, and I'm going to go to Reddit and go to subreddit for Spotify. Now once on Spotify, I'm just going to go to this new as this sun symbol here, and I'm going to select the display to compact so that I can have a lot of these new posts here displayed. And in the filters on the right side, I'm going to head down below and see this self promo. So what I'm going to do in the self promo is going to get you money. So let us get back to the point, and let me show you how this actually works. Okay, so this is one of the most important steps on this, how you can make money from people who are using Spotify. So once we have selected this new filter here, and that we have applied this compact view, we're going to see all of these people which are posting something about their Spotify accounts. So since they are in self promo, they are most likely promoting their playlists or their own creations which they post on Spotify, and we're going to help them get plays, likes, and get exposure. So how to do this properly? Remember when I told you I'm going to keep this tab open? The only thing you have to do is just copy this u/grow your Spotify, or whatever name you put in there. So this is how you can make money here. So what you're going to do here is that you're going to scroll through all of these posts that exist here, and you're going to open them all in their new tabs and paste the username that you copied in the comment section below. Please note that with the new account that you just created, you won't be able to post indefinitely. You're just going to have to make pauses within certain times in order for Reddit not to catch you as a spammer. So what you're going to do is that you're going to open this, for example, 10 of these tabs, and then wait a minute, then repeat the process, and then again wait a minute and repeat the process, and so on and so on. So this is how it actually looks like. Alright, so once here on this open tab, now we're going to scroll down, and you're going to see this comment box. In this comment box, you just go and paste the username of your profile. So once you comment on this post, you're going to see what happens. When this guy sees that somebody commented on it, it is going to go and click this username, and it is going to lead him straight to your profile. So in order to get sales, you just need to have this info displayed here. So what are you going to actually help him get in return for the money that you're going to take from him? And this is actually the thing that most people don't know to do properly, and everything is based on negotiations between you and the artist that you're going to help get more exposure, get J9 plays, more likes, and so on. So in order for you to make prices on Reddit and be competitive and actually get this artist to make up his mind and purchase from you, you're going to go and need to do a little bit of research on how much the services that you're going to provide him actually cost. So in my case, I'm offering him get more exposure, more G9 plays, more likes, and comments, and whatever I'm going to put in there. So I'm going to Google something like Spotify plays, and now I'm going to go here and select this account, for example, and here I'm going to see the pricing. So based on the pricing of this, I'm going to go and base my own pricing. So this is what I'm going to help this guy achieve. Once I go to this first campaign, I'm going to select start a campaign, open an account here, and here as it says open Spotify.com artist, it is going to be here from this Christopher. So this is going to be his link. So this link is just going to be copied, and then you have to paste it here. Open an account down below, and since this is a promo period, I'm just going to pay $10, and I'm going to charge this guy something like 30 or 40 bucks, because this is going to make me earn 2 or 3 times the amount that I'm actually going to pay to get him the real place. So the key here is to go to these Reddit posts and just paste your username here, which you previously copied from your profile, and do this to at least 100 or 200 people daily, so that you can have at least 20 to 50 inquiries, and out of those inquiries you're going to have at least 2 or 3 sales. And you have to stay consistent in order to make people buy from you. Sometimes you're going to score a lot of sales, sometimes some days are not going to be that good, but in the end of the month you're going to have pretty solid side income without actually doing a lot of work, except just copy pasting your username here. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and that you learned something out of this, and most importantly, I would be most happy if you made some money out of this. I personally do this, I know that it can be done, and since I do this, I want to help you also reach your goal. Before I quit, I just want to invite you to check my channel and see all the videos that I make. Alright guys, so I'd appreciate if you stick to my channel and hit the subscribe button and turn these notifications on, so that you'll be notified when I post another video. Here you can learn a lot from social media domination to how to make money online and other various tips and tricks for your PCs or Android devices. Stay subscribed and see you until next video.